actually think that I would... Oh!
Look!
No, Julie, let's go. Man, that would be so cool to have. Did we just play it cool and have a little patience? We'll have the mini bike by the end of the week. No. What?
I snuck it out for a ride. And you know what?
We really need to get you to the hospital.
We can't. Mom will kill us if she finds out about the bike.
There's got to be some way we can do this.
Have you seen Jellybean's sweater? I don't know why we have to go all the way across town. Seems kind of silly.
Craig, I promise, it's the best ice cream in town.
Yeah, well, I'll be the judge of that. What was that?
Ow! Ow! My leg! Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh my God, what did I do? What did I do?
You ran over his leg!
Ow! Ow!